artist, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we are drawing a dragonfly. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Hello little artists, today we are doing a dragonfly and we are gonna try to make it a little bit more realistic. Today Mateo is here with me. Mateo, you wanna say hi?
Hello.
Okay, Mateo and I, we're gonna start with the body. We're gonna go in the center and a little bit up, and we're gonna do an oval shape. And this is gonna be kind of like a small oval shape, okay? Good. Next, we're gonna do the bottom part of the body. We are gonna do a shape smaller than the first one. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna do a U shape. Okay, now we're gonna do the longer part of the body, and on the bottom it's gonna end up in an upside down letter B. Okay, we're gonna go down, and we're gonna start going in a little when we go to the bottom. Now we're gonna do an upside down letter B, and now we're gonna go up again, and we're gonna join with the last shape we did here. Good job. Now we're gonna do U shapes by leaving a space. I'm doing one, leaving a space, another one, and we're gonna continue doing this until we get closer to the V shape. And before we touch the V shape, we're gonna stop. Now we're gonna do the eyes on the left side, and we're gonna do like this. We're gonna do a circle here. And we still have room for another circle, and we're gonna leave a space, and then we're gonna do another circle, and we're gonna try to make it the same size. Now, on the top part of the circle, we're gonna do a line that curves in, and another one. Okay, now we're gonna join these two circles by doing a half a circle in between them. And we're gonna do a last half a circle. Look at this, this is a little smaller. It's gonna go like this, kind of like just a point. Good. Now we're gonna do the wings. So the first thing we're gonna do is in the middle of this oval shape, we're gonna do like this, down, and then in the middle of this oval shape, we're gonna go down, and they are short lines. Okay. Now we're gonna do kind of like a L shape, and it's gonna go slightly up, L, and backwards little L. From this point where we join these two, we're gonna do a line that goes out and a little curvy. Okay, now we're gonna go down a little, and we're gonna repeat this L shape that we did up. So L shape, L shape. Okay, in here underneath the eyes, we're gonna do one, and then underneath this eye, we're gonna do two. Perfect. Now that we have these two, we're gonna join them with a long letter U that is gonna go back and forth. The first line is gonna be really straight, and then the bottom line is gonna be curvy. It's gonna look like this. I wanna try to go straight. Now I wanna curve, and my line is start curving, and I'm going super slow to reach the other line, the L shape. Good job. So we joined these two. Now we're gonna join these two, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go out straight, or we're gonna try to go straight. Then we're gonna curve when we go close to the end of the paper, and I wanna join it with my line that I have here. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. We're gonna go out, and this is shorter than the one on the top, okay? We're not gonna go quite at the end of the paper. We're gonna curve back, and make sure that you can still see the line where you're going. You can put your hand on top so you can see the line where you're going, and we're gonna join here. Good. No, that's good. That looks really good. Let's do the last wing, okay? So we're gonna go out, curve, and come back. Okay, good job, Mateo. Now that we get this done, we are gonna do the texture on the wings. So the first thing we're gonna do is a line on the top that is gonna cross all the wing, and it's gonna look like this. We're gonna a little bit on the top, and we're gonna do a line that goes to the other side. Now let's do the same in the other side. And we're gonna repeat these two the same, okay? We're gonna do some lines that lean to the left on this side and to the right on this one. So we're just gonna do diagonal lines like this until we reach to the end. Now the next thing we're gonna do is lines on the opposite way. So if I do my lines to the right side, I'm gonna do longer lines to the left, and they're gonna look like this. They're being a little curvy, okay? Now on this side, they're going to the other side. And it's the same on the bottom. Good job. Now we're gonna put a last line, and this line is gonna come from the top of the lines that you have here down, and it's gonna look like this: down, 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 and we continue doing that. Now on this side, I'm doing the opposite way. I'm going from the top down, from the top down, and continue doing the same. And there, that's it. We finished this dragonfly. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our picture turned out. We use 3 colors. We use blue, purple, and green, and I actually add a little bit of yellow here. You can skip this part if you had a really light green. And at the end, we went with this color pencil doing these shadows here underneath the wings and underneath the body. We went coloring hard close to the edge and then really light as we go away from the body, and this make it look a little bit more like pop out of the paper.
Yeah, another thing, the reason I went like this is because I sort of wanted to reference how it looks really cool. It almost looks like I can pick it up, I could grab it and fling it.
I think so too. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye!